Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the best extension of 2024 of a Chrome browser. So this is here are some of this year best extension for productivity, accessibility, and personalization by Jamie Anderson, merchandising manager of Chrome Web Store. So there are some extension that you can try. One of my favorite is this one, the Volume Master. So you can click this link, elevate your entertainment, and this is Volume Master. So you can up to 600% volume boost. So this is the simplest and most reliable volume booster, and this is some features that you can try. Of course, up to 600% volume boost, control volume of any tab, voice boost, bass boost, fine grain control, and switch to any tab playing audio with just one click. So you can add the Chrome, add extension, and here it's very small. And now Volume Master is ready to use. Let's close it. Click your extension and click this Volume Master. So you can up to 600. You can try to drag the slider to the right in order to use it, or you can go back to default if you mess up. And this is the voice boost, bass boost, and so on. You can try switch on dark mode. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.